Hi, welcome to our beginner's guide on photography. Whether you've just picked up a camera or you're just trying to figure out photography on what end to look through, then this is the video for you. Hi, I'm Jess, and today we're diving into the basics of photography, so let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the heart of photography. The camera. So if you're feeling overwhelmed with them dials and buttons, don't worry, we've all been there. The good thing is you don't need the fanciest of cameras to take a good photograph. You just need to understand a few key concepts on what truly matters. So there are 3 elements that you need to know: aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. Think of them as the 3 musketeers of photography. Aperture controls the light coming into the lens, while shutter speed determines how long the light hits the sensor. That's where you can see the little hole in the camera being big and small, big and small. If you're shooting fast-moving subjects like sports or wildlife, go for a higher shutter speed to freeze the action. But for them dreamy, long exposure shots, you want to put the aperture right down. You want to put your camera on a tripod so it's not too blurred and it's still stable, but you can still capture a nice dreamy look. And don't forget ISO. In well-lit conditions, you want to keep your ISO to the maximum about 100 or 200 for cleaner, sharper images. But be aware, the higher you bump up your ISO, it can introduce a bit more noise into the image. Now let's put this into practice. Grab your camera and switch onto manual mode. Start by adjusting your aperture. If you want a nice blurry background, you can adjust the f-stop, which is another word for aperture. The lower the number of aperture, the more blurry the background is, and the higher the f-stop or aperture is, the more sharper the background is.
Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just 2 hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be 2 hearts running wild.
Remember, composition is key. Imagine a tic-tac-toe grid. So it's like this and then across, so you want to keep your face in the middle square. So experiment with different angles and leading lines and perspective to add interest to the shot. And there you have it, the basics of photography. Remember, practice makes perfect. So get out there and experiment and have fun capturing them moments. And if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more photography content just like this one. And until next time, keep clicking away.